attached to the hair using clips similar to what you would see on traditional clip-in hair extensions. Unlike a traditional hair extension, however, hair toppers are intended to give you coverage on the crown. You will notice clips sewn in all along the perimeter of your hair topper. Sometimes, if the clips are not applied to the natural hair properly, they can cause some discomfort. Today we're going to talk about improving your topper application to make sure that your clips are as comfortable as possible. One of the most important factors in making sure that your topper is going to fit comfortably is making sure that you have the right size base for your pattern of hair loss. We've covered this topic before. Make sure you check out the video on how to properly measure for a hair topper. You'll want to make sure that where the clips are on the perimeter of your topper sit where you have enough hair that you can clip them into. If you're clipping into sparse areas, this can cause sensitivity. Topper and hair extension clips come in many shapes and sizes. Here are just a couple of examples. The good news is you can easily swap out the clips on your topper and replace them with clips that are more suitable and that you find more comfortable. Replacement clips are fairly readily available online. If you find smaller clips with shorter teeth, the small prongs that slide into the hair, less comfortable, you may want to look for clips that are slightly larger with slightly longer teeth. Finding clips that also have a silicone coating on the prongs or a silicone strip will give you some additional grip to help prevent tugging or sliding. When you're removing the clips on your topper, you'll want to use a small, sharp pair of scissors or a seam ripper. Just as you aren't stuck with the type of clip attached to your topper, you're not stuck with the placement of the clips on your topper either. You can see here that this clip would hit right at my temple. I tend not to use these front clips, and instead I use adhesive along the hairline to avoid using these clips as they cause me discomfort. You could carefully remove a clip in this area and sew it just here. That way it would have more hair to clip into a little bit further back from the temple. Another option for those sensitive areas, add one of these hook and loop grippers to your topper. This would prevent me from having to use the back clips on my natural hair at all. And as I said before, normally I would add adhesive along the hairline. That would give me enough security in the front. And I would gently pat the hook and loop gripper down into my natural hair. Putting strain on the same areas of your scalp over and over again every day can lead to some discomfort as well. In order to prevent wear and tear on those sensitive areas, consider adding more clips around the perimeter of your topper. This way you can rotate which clips you're using on a regular basis. You could sew on as many clips as you wish around the perimeter of your topper. I find it easiest to use a small curved needle for sewing on clips. You'll want to hold your clip in place and gently bring the curved needle through the edge of the topper and through the hole of the clip. It's much like sewing a button onto a shirt. If your natural hair is very fine and slippery, the clips won't have a lot of grip. You'll find that the clips will start to slip, causing tugging throughout the day. Texturizing your hair is a great way to give the clips something more to grab onto. Hairspray, back combing, and texturizing powders will all go a really long way to keep the clips gripped snugly to your head. These are some of the most common reasons your clips might be bothering you. You don't have to live with the discomfort. There's always a way to solve the problem.